I have a full-length mirror again. Which can only mean one thing. I'm traveling again. Yes, I am. I'm at Best Western. Again. I don't like this already. I don't like my room. There's 2 sinks here. Here. And look. Lotion, conditioner, shampoo. They did give me a shower cap, which is awesome. Shower caps are cool. But I don't need makeup remover. Where's the dispensers, like up in Bremerton? There's no dispensers in the shower, like there was in Bremerton. Why is that? And I have a bar of soap in there. What is this? And I unnecessarily have 2 queen beds. I don't know, I guess it was the only one that I could get. I have no idea. Well, I do have a room though. This is my fancy room. Haha. Let's sit on my fancy couch. Ooh. You hear that? This must be a... Yep. Alright, so really there's like 3 beds in here. This is a little overkill. It was the cheapest rate room, which Dish will pay for, but like, I don't need 3 beds. Why can't you stick me in one room? Or a room with just 1 bed, a king-size bed, with a view. I have a microwave that doesn't look to be plugged in. And I have a sink. And a mini fridge. There's another TV over there. There is a DVD player. And ooh, I have fire. I can make fire in the place of fire. And then we come out to my patio. Yeah. This is my view. It's a dune. But if I step out just a little bit and I go to the right, I can see water glistening. I don't know if you can even see it on camera at all. Zoom. Come on. You can just barely see it. Right? Whoa. Well, yeah, it's where that little divot is. Right there. That's where you can see water. Yeah. Ooh, seagull. Cool. Ooh, this is nice and warm on my feet because of the sun. Look. No barbecuing allowed. Too bad. I brought that big grill and everything with me. No, I didn't. But apparently there's a lighthouse room up on the 4th floor. So I'm going to go check it out. Oh. I can get my walking up the stairs for the day if I do this. This is round. Methinks I need to go for a walk. May I present to you the Pacific Ocean? Way to ruin the moment, Nobby. I haven't seen the Pacific Ocean in years. Ooh, look, seagulls, seagulls, seagulls! Kite flying. That's pretty cool. Or windsurfing, maybe? I don't know. Seagulls! Yeah. I'm gonna need to go for a walk down to the beach later. Darn it, open your eyes. There we go. Do you want to look through the binoculars? Let's see if this works. Kind of. Not really. Oh, look! That didn't work. Ooh, can we go outside? No, it's locked. Darn. Oh well. And then there's town. Cool. This is gonna be fun. I'll be the first one to admit, I probably should have brought shorts on this trip, but hey, you live and learn. Doggone it. It's gonna be windy. So I apologize in advance for the wind on the microphone. I'm sorry. Yeah. Just to give you an idea, I apologize for the wind again, but just to give you an idea, there's my hotel. Here's the beach. Yeah. I came out here to check out the dish installations. You know, I gotta make sure they're on par with, you know, beach standards and stuff like that. Windsurfers have moved farther down the beach. Unfortunately, I don't know if I'm going to walk all the way down there or not quite yet. They're quite a ways away. Again, apologize for the wind. There we go, perspective. Hotel. Hotel, beach. Wow, that's some hair. Yeah, look at me go. I'm like, now I'm rocking like full Iron Man. When I shave tonight, I should just, and then I got the shirt and I got the hair. That's why I need a hair dryer, right? Style my hair like this every day. No, it doesn't work for me. This is why my hair isn't long, because I get curls like that just irritate me. That's some hair. That's wild hair. Wow. Yeah. I'm wild. Yeah. I'm like a teenage heartthrob. Alright, so I decided to come bowling, of all things, right? On the Pacific Ocean, I go bowling. And 141 is my first game. 141. First game in a couple months, so yeah, I've had better. I'm going to bowl 2 more at least, see what I can average. Why not? strong starts don't mean strong finishes. I just bowled a 135. Really? So I'm sitting at 276 right now. 276. I need a 224 to get my 500 series. It's worth a try. I think I can do it though. So one more game. Here we go. 225 is the goal. I missed the sunset a little bit ago. Shame. It's a nice night. Nice evening, I should say. So, sorry I missed the sunset, but I was in there watching Legends House and lost track of time. I was going to get a beach sunset too. It would have been perfect because that's exactly where the sun was setting too. Over there. Yeah. And there's the ocean. Right over the dune. If they would have stuck me up on the second floor, I would have had an ocean view. I don't know. We'll see next month when I come back to the coast what room I get stuck in, so who knows? I don't mind. Just like Bremerton, it feels good to relax. Oh, I could sleep out here. If I had a blanket, I could sleep out here. Beautiful. Alright, I'm going to finish watching WWE Countdown. I'm showered, clean shaven, and tired. Upon everything else, tired. I'm going to go to bed. I'll see you tomorrow. Good night.